Welcome back to Excel Tally software. Today, we'll learn how to import purchase without inventory data into Tally. Let's begin. First, open the Excel sheet that has the data you want to import into Tally. Then, choose the right template. Since we are importing data which has taxable amounts in column-wise, select the Purchase Without Inventory template. This imports the data as vouchers in Tally. If you want to import it as invoice mode, select the Purchase as Invoice template. Click Purchase Without Inventory template. First clear the sheet and then do the one-time mapping according to your data. For example, if your date is in column A, just type A in the date column. The voucher will appear automatically, then map the invoice number. Is in column B. Do the same for the serial and reference numbers. If there's any narration, map the column for that. GST number is in column C. The party name goes in column D. You don't need to enter the total amount and tax amount since it's calculated automatically. For the taxable amount, click on Show GST Header to see the column headers and map them accordingly. Next, click on Default Ledgers. You can match these ledger names with Tally ledger names later. After that, enter the taxable amount. The tax will be calculated automatically. For tax mapping, 0% goes in column F, 5% in column G, 12% in column J, 18% in column M, 28% in column P. For Inter GST, 5% in column S, 12% in column U, 18% in column W, 28% in column Y. You only need to do this mapping once. Next time, there's no need to map it again for the same company. Now, click Go to Top and save the mapping by entering a company name. This can be any name for your reference. Then click Save Mapping. If you need to make any changes to the mapping, simply click on Open Map. You will see all the company mappings here. Edit the mapping, save your changes, and then close it. Next, select your state. Then enter the row numbers. Our data starts from 2 and ends 101. Just enter 2, enter 101, enter. Then the Import Sheet button will appear, click on it. Then select the category you saved in mapping. The option to select a sheet will appear. Select the sheet you want to import. The sheet will be ready in few seconds. You'll notice that the totals and GST are calculated automatically. If you want to use single CGST, SGST, or IGST instead of GST percentages, click Set Ledger Types and choose what you need. Then, again continue by entering the row numbers and importing the sheet. Here, you can see that the single CGST, SGST, and IGST have been calculated. To review or update any details, click Go To, and here you can see the more details. If you've already created a voucher with a different name in Tally, you can either copy-paste it from Tally or type it manually. The data will be imported into the voucher you selected. Before importing the entries, we need to import the ledgers. This is because many ledgers are new, and we may not know which ones are already available in Tally and which ones are not, so it's necessary to create the ledgers. If your ledgers are already in Tally, don't worry, the software will ignore them and only create the new ones. Click Export to Tally. Once the ledgers are created, close the sheet and click Export to Tally to import the entries. After clicking Export to Tally, the Missing Ledgers tool will open. From here, you can match purchase ledgers with their Tally names or create new ones. The matching option is on the right side and the create option is on the left side. If Tally isn't connected to the software, the ledger list won't appear, so make sure they are connected. If you need to create new ledgers, choose the group and click Create. Finally, click Export to Tally and all entries will be imported in Tally. That's how you can import different types of vouchers into Tally. For more information or want to see live demo and get 3 days free trial, contact us on 9886799378 or visit our website www.fastinflow.com. Thank you.